Welcome to Zimion's Retrotech. From Zimion's Global Concerns, thank you for coming to view my show today. We're going to do a flashback of 2016 when I went to vacation to my friend's house, Daniel's. I did a fix for his sword rack and a couple other things. Even worked on the bathroom a little bit. More of attachment pieces, more not repairs, but just a few paint job here and there. Anybody could do this. It's very simple as well. I just spiffed up made it more spiffy for him is what I'm trying to say. And well, if you want to subscribe, it's up to you, and hit your thumbs if you want. And thank you for coming to view today's show. So we're going to do a flashback on 2016 when I went on vacation to my friend's house in Montana. So let's get building on today's Retrotech, and it's pretty much a flashback video that I recorded building at my friend's house. Thank you for coming to today's show. Like this!
Sword rack for Dan's room, put a flag up, fixed the door handle, fixed the scratches, oh my goodness, put a toilet paper roll in, fixed the walls, paint the walls, and also add some cement to the tub here. First thing on the agenda, Dan wanted me to change this door knob out. It was an old clunky closet door handle, so that's what we did. We picked up a new door handle, and it gave me a lot of heck just putting that in, but we'll get back to that.
Oh, it's good. It's good. It's gonna work. Well, Dad, I polished Danny's toaster for him. Yeah. Hey, everyone. Yeah, I polished the toaster. Pretty cool, huh? Polished Danny's toaster.
Built him a sword rack because I was almost shish kebab just sleeping the nights over, so I mounted this nice little rack up here. Spliced a hole to fit the swords in there, and that's pretty much what I did for Dan. I also brought out his old Nintendo, set it there, put his 64 there. There's a set of swords, and we're gonna put a flag. He has a flag over his door. We're gonna move that over there, and I have a poster I put up, and the flag poles right here. And we're gonna put the flag from the door on there because he has a door he can open and shut, and it should look good. And you can slide it over his bookshelf and hide his stuff, what we'll be doing. And we got the no close and no go, and we painted the walls. So this was an easy fix, and that's what I was hoping to do while I was on vacation, mostly to have some fun. I also put a toilet paper roll, which he didn't have there. It's like a whole toilet paper rolls, a holder, I mean. And yeah, we painted the walls, made it nice and speckledy. I had to move a lot of stuff out. And here's the results of painting the wall, and the cats were scratching the walls up pretty well, so we had to repaint. See how that looked? Now we're gonna put some cat pads there, probably, because there's 2 litter boxes that go there. And I decided to fix his brick fireplace up, but we didn't have enough time to pull everything up, so I went around the corners with this filament. So we did a little shortcut going around to make it look very nice. He's very appreciative that he likes it, so, and I could have did a lot more while I was here, but I'm just showing, and it could have looked more like this up here. So I'm pointing all that out, where see how I just left that nice space where this could have been so much better. In my improvement of words, it really just needs a whole rip up. But anyways, back to Dan. So practically with the flag, it's to hide his computer and stuff right on that corner and his shelf. But you know, it looks much better than where he had the flag. And now to the bathroom. It's just the work that we did. I put scratch posts because the cats were ripping the wall. It looks much nicer. Scratch pads there. Those seashells were just hanging in the way, so I put them up on there. That's pretty much it, you know. Just circling the room. Now I've got myself in the mirror. And walking our way to the cats. And we're going to show you Dan's cats within the living quarters. So thank you for reviewing today, and this is how we're gonna wrap up today's show.
Toot and toot. Right before we go, we're gonna poot and toot, and that don't sound good, but it is kitty cats if I could get them. Here's Poot. It's her name, Poot, and they're twins. It's the first kitty. You gotta get Toot. And here's the other one. Dan's gonna walk right by both of them. Meow, 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 meow. I love kitties and doggies.
They're twins.
They're twins, yeah. One's bigger than the other, though. Meow. Yeah, hello. Yeah, where you? I don't know. You can't see it with the camera angle. But they're there.
Yeah.
There she goes. Buddy, 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 buddy. All right. That ends our collusion.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Have a great election. Keep cool.